Hey friends, welcome to the next video. In the previous video of this playlist, we learned that how you can, register 30 days free trial for GoHighLevel. And in this video, I'm going to show you that how to leverage GoHighLevel to grow your business in 2025, and even now 2026 is coming. So how in this year and in coming years, how you can grow your business, and how you can leverage GoHighLevel. So this is an incredible platform. And for instance, if you are tired of using multiple marketing tools and want one powerful platform to manage everything, you are in the right place. And in this video, I will show you how to leverage GoHighLevel to grow your business in 2025. As I told you, if you are tired of using multiple marketing tools, like here you can see the features, and you can see and the tools are how they are charging, website builders like $29 per month, service forms $49 per month, and email marketing $99 per month. And these you can see a lot of things you can see here, and a lot of features you can see here, and it replaces with this one and other tools, they are charging how much. So overall price $1,600 per month you are paying to other tools, but here in GoHighLevel you can start with $97 per month. So this is an incredible thing, And as you know, GoHighLevel main features are like CRM, you can see the dashboard, and pipeline management. So everything related to the CRM you can control here. You can build beautiful landing pages and funnel using GoHighLevel. Workflow automation is here. Email and SMS campaigns you can create, you can generate. You can also control the system of booking and calendar, and social media messaging integration is also easy. Repetition management like Google reviews and analytics and reporting, everything white label SaaS platform. So you can see the main features of this incredible platform here. So if we talk about the pricing plans, GoHighLevel, you can see here how much does GoHighLevel cost. Check out the pricing options here. So there are 3 plans actually. So you can see you can divide into 3 plans, and the first one is starter, and the second one is unlimited, and the last one is Saas Pro. So you can see here get started with our affordable starter plan. So you can start with the most affordable plan, and this is mandatory essential for essential features and seamless functionality. You can see all the tools to capture more leads, nurture and close leads into customers. You can also use full online booking, pipelines, and social calendar, website builder, and more. And unlimited contacts and users you can create. You can add as many contacts and users according to your requirements, and set up to 3 sub accounts. So you can build 3 sub accounts. This is an incredible thing. And then you can see the second platform, the plan, $297 per month. So this is boundless features, limitless potential, and you can choose the unlimited plan for unlimited possibilities. And here everything in starter, whatever you can see in the starter, it's here. All things. And additional, you can see you can API access, integrate with anything. Unlimited sub accounts, not 3 sub accounts, unlimited, and as many client accounts as you need for one price. Incredible. Then you can also branded desktop app, custom domains, and complete control over the look and feel of the platform. So this is also you can start. And the last one, Saas Pro, $497 per month. You can see this plan. the plan we checked, we started in the first, video, Agency Pro plan, $497 per month. So this is the subscription we have. This one, $497 per month. So here you will find everything you need to start, generating recurring SaaS revenue with our Saas Pro plan. So this is also amazing. So everything in unlimited, whatever you have in the unlimited platform, you will find here. And plus, you will also get like SaaS Mood and auto sub account creation. So this is also an incredible thing. And rebilling enabled with the ability to set your own markup, and rebilling available on conversation AI. So you can see also basic versus advanced API access, in basic, like, these two plans, they are public API keys, and here everything in basic API and details you can see here. You can also save 20% with annual plans. So this is amazing. So as I told you, so in this video, actually, we have learned like how to leverage GoHighLevel. And GoHighLevel is an all-in-one marketing and automation platform. So it can replace multiple tools like, ClickFunnels, MailChimp, HubSpot, and Calendly all under one roof. So you can see I showed you here like how much you are paying to other platforms, and you are using, various features on the various platforms. And here you are paying one amount, and you are professionally using all features on the same platform. So you can create funnels, you can, send automated messages, you can manage your CRM, and even you can run your own white label SaaS business. So this is amazing. And you can do all things here collectively and professionally here without going to various multiple platforms. So the video is amazing, and we have learned a lot of things. We have also learned, the difference in between these three pricing options in these three plans, that what we are gonna get in these three plans. So I will suggest you can try with this one plan. It's also good, or this one plan. But see, if you go with this plan, so the all features you can see, and especially in this, everything you can see here. So if you want to explore, if you want to check, if you want to test everything, then I will definitely recommend you to start a trial of Saas Pro, where you will get unlimited of starter and unlimited, and more additional things you will find here. So thank you so much for watching the video. And in the next video, we will discuss more things, and we will continue this our play series. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends. Thank you so much once again.